Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you could join me today. I have some unboxings for you. I have Sephora Play, Boxycharm, and my order from Lily Lashes and my order from Kaleido Cosmetics. So I'm really excited to get all of those and excited to share it with you. If you're curious what I got, please stick around and here we go. Okay, first up, I have my package from Kaleido. It's just a small order, but I was really excited to get it. It's the first time I've ever ordered from them. The last time that I used Kaleido Cosmetics, I got it in one of my boxes, and I got the skin blush, and it was fantastic. So I'm hoping that this stuff is too, if I can get this open. There we go. After a little bit of wrestling, I got it, finally. Let's see. First thing I got, it's very bubble wrapped. Woo! Get to de-stress while you open it. You just, bubbles everywhere. I got the crazy foils. Here's the little package that it comes in. It is vegan, and it is gluten-free, and it is cruelty-free. And I picked these up because I just thought these colors were absolutely gorgeous. Are they not? It's like a gold and a blue. You can see. I can't wait to use them. The color is called Life Golds. Unicorn activated eyeshadow. That's cute. Really like the looks of this. I can't wait to try it. And then the next thing, again, you can de-stress while you open it. And the next thing I got is the Lava Lips. It is cruelty-free, no matter what. And it is vegan. And here's what I got here. Isn't that pretty? Oh, yes, it's pretty. I'm going to have you come over and say hi. Yeah. I'll swatch this on the back of my hand. Here's the lava. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, it smells. And then I'll swatch the eyeshadows for you, too. Ooh, look at that. There's the blue. There's the gold. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my goodness. Okay, so that was my order from Kaleido. Okay, and now for my order from Lily Lashes. I was really excited to get this. This is my first pair of Lily Lashes. First pair. I have Baddington on my eyes right now. The Monroe 3D lashes. Okay, now we got this open. Sort of. There we go. You get a card in here, 15% off plus free shipping on every subscription order. And I got the Mykonos Lash Kit. Comes with lash glue. Pretty. Very pretty lashes. I can't wait to try these on. Alright. Next up we have, finally, it took forever for it to come in, my Boxycharm. Yay! And I'm really hoping that I got the eyeshadow palette, because I could always use eyeshadow palettes. I love eyeshadow palettes. I love playing with eyeshadow, and I'm anxious. I'm really curious to see what I got. Okay. So first up, you open it up, and it looks like this. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It's $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products, and I love it. It is absolutely worth it. So first we have our little card in here. It's got 25% 20% off, 20% off Wander Beauty and 20% off Pharmacy. And then inside it has the theme, road tripping is the theme for the month. And then it lists all your goodies that you got and their normal prices. So first up, I have Wander Beauty Unlashed Mascara. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. And this goes for $24. So there's the cost of your box right there. It's got a nice curved wand. Just slightly curved, not real heavy. Next up we have Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel from Dr. Brandt. The Say Goodbye to Puffy and Say Hello to Youthful, Restful Looking Eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under-eye bags and dark circles. Does anyone want to guess what this one goes for? $42. That's 2 boxes right there. Next we have Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. This is $26. And here's the brush. And there's the product. So you dip your brush in the product and then do your eyebrows. Okay, next up we have Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blush. Designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil-infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. It comes a little package here. Here's the blush. It's embossed with Note on it. It's very pretty. It's in the shade Desert Rose. It is very pigmented. You see that? Nice. Wow. Wow. And we have Bite Beauty's Agave Lip Mask. A nightly recovery mask that hydrates and nurtures lips for a softer, smoother texture. The natural agave nectar and healing jojoba oil and the dense conditioning treatment restore parched lips to a supple state. Madagascan vanilla adds a sweet scent. I am hyped about that. My lips are always so dry. Whenever I get anything from my lips, I'm really happy. And last but not least, I got my eyeshadow palette. I am so excited. Pretty box with crown embossed on it. And then the palette. Nice sturdy palette. Oh, I've got some blush on it. It's got a mirror. And here's all the pretty colors. Swatch this on my arm for you. Here are all the colors that are in the palette. There's 10 shades, 5 on the top row, 5 on the bottom. Very, very pretty palette. I think I'm most anxious to try this one. Here, it's kind of a rose gold color. Very pretty, very pretty. So that is the Boxycharm. Now last but not least, Sephora Play. See if we can't get this open without too much rustling. Okay, so here's the bag this month, red and white, and a card. And you get this 50-point card every month that comes in with your box. And it's the add-ons that you can buy, and on the other side is all the products that are in the box. So we'll have a look at that, or in the bag, all the products that are in the bag. Let's see what we got. First up, we have Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Shampoo. It says it's a sulfate-free shampoo that creates fuller-looking hair without stripping shine. This shampoo gives hair a volume boost with natural sugar starch and coats strands and increases their diameter. Biotin, ginseng, and ginger support natural hair growth. Nice. Next up, Rin Clean Skincare Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. Very nice. A restorative mask that soothes and balances irritated and sensitive skin. This treatment uses white mushroom to calm redness and puffiness caused by sunburn, wind, dryness, stress, or jet lag, aka life. Extracts like arnica flower purge free radicals and boost skin's immune defense. We have Claudel Vino Perfect Concentrated Brightening Essence. It's in the little heavy thing, vial like this. A gentle treatment that removes dead skin so serums and moisturizers can do their thing. This lightweight formula uses glycolic acid, white peony extracts, and 100% organic grape water to visibly balance skin tone, even texture, and brighten. It's the second best thing to ever come off the vine. So you use this after cleansing and apply it to your face and follow with the serum and moisturizer. Next we have a product from Pharmacy, Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer with echinacea. I can't read this, it's too small. I'll read it off the paper. Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer with Echinacea Green Envy. A gel cream packed with superfood ingredients that visibly plump, nurture, and hydrate skin. Echinacea Green Envy honey, made by Pharmacy's own bees, adds a powerful dose of natural antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, the holy grail of hydration, and kupasu butter beads lock-in moisture. It's got a little cap. Doesn't really have a whole lot of smell, so this probably will not irritate my skin, so that is good. It's a nice little glass, I think. It's in a glass container. And last up, we have Clay All Day from Tarte, Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Parte. That's a pretty shade. Let's swatch this on the back of this hand. There we go, if you can see it. It's a nice soft color. A soft silky powder blush in a Sephora exclusive shade that looks flawless for hours. Mineral pigments let you layer color without overdoing it. Fine Amazonian clay controls oil and infuses moisture for seamless blending. The result is a glow from within look. I am all about that. Glowing from within is awesome. Yes? Yes? So that is it for my unboxing today. I hope you guys had fun, and I'm going to introduce you to my little fan club over here. Just 1 minute. This is my grandbaby. She just woke up from her nap when Nana started doing the video. Hey, cutie. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Huh? No? You're not saying hi? So yes, this is my little grandbaby. I'm so happy to have her. I get to take care of her. Her mommy and daddy are out on a date night. Yeah, mommy and daddy are out on a date night, aren't they? Yes. Now it's time to go downstairs and play, huh? Tell everyone bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say subscribe to Nana's channel. She's just looking at herself on the viewer like, okay, Nana. Love you. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the little bell so that you get notified of all my uploads. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Is that fun?